With the growth of information that is stored and used within businesses and the collaborative nature of the modern organization, an effective electronic documents and records management system is becoming an increasingly sought after investment. But what are the basics of it and how does it work? Electronic documents and records management basics. Electronic documents and records management, or IDRMS for short, is the term given to the process of creating, storing and using documents and records within a system. An example of an electronic document could be a contract from an employee, and with an IDRMS system in place this can be created and then stored on the system. Metadata. Where an IDRMS system is most effective is by using metadata to find and retrieve information. Metadata refers to particular information contained in the record or document itself. Though this may sound confusing initially, an example of this would be the last person to amend a record or something found within the data fields of that file. Putting this into practice, if an electronic documents and records management system is configured correctly, a user should be able to pull a list based on their metadata requirements or criteria. A further example would be pulling a list of all files created on a certain date or by a certain person, or all files containing a particular name in one of the data fields. This can make storing and using data much more efficient and could save hours of trawling through records individually. Features. The features of an electronic documents and records management system are all-encompassing, starting with the tools that allow the original record or document creation and entry into the system. Some IDRMS systems will have a customized upload feature, allowing you to manually input any metadata that is missing from the original record when the file is uploaded. Once stored, records can then be indexed for a quicker and easier method of searching. This can be configured to fit the individual requirements of the business, allowing a streamlined process of storing and finding information. The retrieval of the documents and records relies on the type of interface that the IDRMS system is using and can be changed to fit different departments within an organization that have different requirements. The next notable feature is integration, allowing the exchange of information from one area of an organization or system database to another. Being able to exchange information among databases is a key concept in getting the most out of your EDMS system. When formed correctly, an IDRMS system can not only save you a huge amount of time and effort, but it also allows you to set up stringent compliance protocols that are easy to oversee and control. In addition to this, it makes internal auditing much simpler, as all records should be stored within a certain format, making anomalies and errors far easier to spot.